The Rotherham NHS Foundation Trust has been running a community X-ray service, bringing the hospital directly to patients.
So to start with, I think people were a lot more reserved. They didn't know what it was. We're only the third hospital in the country to have this kind of equipment. So I think everybody was very unsure about what this would look like. So as the pilot project's gone on, it's definitely opened their eyes. Everybody's a lot more excited about it. They want to see the equipment. They want to come out and see us in action.
After 12 months in pilot, that uncertainty has turned to success.
I think everyone's just super impressed. Even walking in with the kit, all the carers there are like, wow, it's amazing, you can come to us. Everyone likes to come and have a look. And I think they're just really shocked at how small it is.
The real goal of the service is dignity. For a patient with dementia, a hospital trip can be a confusing and frightening experience.
Patients with dementia like to be in familiar surroundings. You can go into the room and you can chat to them about pictures they have up, other staff may be more familiar with them, you can get them involved. If the relatives are there, you can make them involved as well. It just puts the patient at ease.
This flexibility allows the team to work around the patient's routine, often in places you wouldn't expect.
So there's a time where we went to see a lady in a care home, and she was always wanting to go into the hairdressers there because she gets her hair done sort of once a week there. So yeah, we ended up x-raying her in the ground floor hairdressers of the care home, and yeah, she was really compliant. She sat there and yeah, x-rayed in the hairdressers.
While the setting is informal, the safety standards are exactly the same as in a hospital.
So the biggest challenge that we faced doing imaging in patients' homes was radiation protection. So a big part of that was working closely with our radiation protection advisor, making sure that we could manage the controlled areas and risk assess every area that we were going into. There was also concerns regarding image quality with the equipment and maintaining the standards that we could achieve in the X-ray department. But actually that's proven to be a success. We can have really high quality images that we can obtain out in the community.
Technology is important, but the real goal is much simpler. It's about making sure that when people are unwell, that they can stay in a place where they feel most comfortable.
Some of the things that I'd like people to know is just how important it is for patients to remain in their own home, making sure that they can be diagnosed in the community and treated efficiently and effectively in a very short time frame, and with helping to support that.
The community X-ray service is helping patients stay independent and avoid unnecessary hospital stays. Here at the Trust, we are making sure that the right care is always delivered in the right place.